So today we are here as Knowledge Gym Academy to Hulimavu Lake. The day was quite an exhilarating as well as an educating day. On further notice, once we reached the lake, Mithun ma'am actually gave us the history of the lake, which further gave us an idea of how important this lake is to Bangalore. We split ourselves in with different jobs, removing the bricks, upturning the bricks which were heavy. The guys who were strong could remove that.
As you can see, there's a lot of plastic pollution, a lot of waste that's dumped here, and we have come to clean up here. And this is a great initiative taken by our school because it not only spreads awareness about the pollution that's happening here, the waste dumping that's happening in water bodies such as the Hulimavu Lake, but also it gives us an opportunity to serve our community, and it gives us a chance to play a part in better environment all over.